Hey, this is David Powers here again. I hope you enjoyed the video. And one thing I wanted to point out as a little bit of a behind the scenes is that you may not want to ever star in one of my videos. I hate to say something like that, but those windows that you saw in the floor that I was buried under, of course, the windows don't actually multiply, although it will seem like that if you mess them up. But those windows came from our scrap pile out back. We, windows that are mismatched, or we take them out of other jobs, things like that. And so when I went outside to get those windows, I was pulling them out to bring into the showroom here, and a big wasp nest actually fell onto the back of my head. Thankfully, my lightning quick cat-like reflexes, I jumped real quick and the nest fell off, but I did get stung a couple of times. And so if you do ever want to star in one of my videos, I would absolutely love that, but I probably have to say that if you're allergic to bees, it's not a good idea. Unless you want to do one of the inside ones. But I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes segment, and I hope you enjoyed the other videos as well. Thanks. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, go ahead and stop it.
So I'm going to start out in here?
No, you're going to start right here. Hey, right here. I want to hear you before I see you. So start talking.
Where's Daddy? I thought he was going to be in the room cleaning.
No, hey, you're talking to me though. Dad! Dad!
Daddy! Where are you?
I thought you were cleaning windows in here, Dad.
Yeah.
Dad?
Where are you, Dad?
Help. Help. And Abishai, when you hear help, Gideon, you're going to be standing about right here. Come here. And so Abishai, turn around, Gideon. So you're going to barely see the top of his head. Mm-hmm. So when Gideon walks in, turn around, turn your head around. You're going to see the top of his head because he's not going to be able to walk much further. And when you hear the help, then you're going to kind of pan down right there. Okay. And you see my arm come out.